Anyway, Ballroom Bliss 6 here again. Hopefully, I might not need to put my parallax video. I might just put this one. Parallax is when your adjustment position is not the same due to a change at the angle. For example, as a sight has a reticle, depending on the front sight or the rear of the sight, or if you're using a tiny scope, the front scope or tiny scope. In that reticle, or in that aim, or in that glow, or in the illumination glow, it can obscure your sight, so your eyes have to drift away from that sight to go above it. Your angle would change different from where the ball is, which is already changed more than what the reticle is. That's one type of parallax, and then the other type is parallax. If we don't shoot the same way every single time, when you aim it on the iron sights, reflector, or anything like that, it will change. Uh, End of the day, parallax is if you're shooting with your right eye, or when you aim with your right eye and you close on your right eye, you zero in on that, you fix your reticle, all that stuff. If you go to your left eye, you will get parallax due to the change of angle. Your viewpoint A will be different from your viewpoint B due to the different angles you're using. Pretty much, that's the fancier definition of changing your eyesight. But there is a way to fix that. There are some scope or some eyesight that have a parallax adjustment on it. Basically, what it does is you can, like the super expensive one, uh, can adjust to both of your eyes. You can have adjustment to both your eyes where it will change the angle of your zero and give a in between angle, and you can just adjust the optical image or the magnification or where you want to aim it, other than changing the actual vertical point. It's hard to describe it because if your left eye shoot more to the right, you have to pull it to the left. But if your right eye shoot more to the left, you have to pull it right. What that parallax on a super expensive one does is raise the dot a little more in between, where only thing you need to do is not change the left and right angle, but change the up and down or the magnification angle. Basically, that's it. And a regular one is if you shoot on one eye, don't no change at all. If you're using the one eye and not changing it at all, then the parallax adjustment will adjust the range of how far your eye is away from the scope. When you use a scope or a sight or iron sight, don't have your eye directly on the sight because it will hit you in the eye. I haven't said that in my past channel because I thought it would be dead obvious. You have to put your eye in there or something that we know. Stuff like that. I was supposed to make a infrared scope and a night vision scope, but my stuff keep getting stolen, so that's gonna be out of the water. I was actually supposed to do some engraving and some freaking making threads and stuff, but that's out of the scope, and my stuff keep going missing. But other than that, that's it for parallax. I'm out.